Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So this is my activity 4 in Inorganic and Organic Chemistry. The Bunsen burner. So what is Bunsen burner? Bunsen burner is a type of a gas burner commonly used as a heat source in laboratory experiments. The burner consists of a flat base with a straight tube extending vertically, known as the barrel or chimney. The air hole allows pre-mixing of air and gas before combustion occurs at the top of chimney. The objectives is a common laboratory instrument that produces a hot, sootless, non-luminous flame. The Bunsen burner allows for precise regulation of the mixing of gas and oxygen in its central barrel before combustion, which ignites the flame. Bunsen burner has 6 common parts: the barrel, collar, the gas flow valve, gas intake tube, base, and the air hose. Function: barrel. It is around 5 inches long tube. The main function of the barrel is that it contains air intake, opening that mix air and gas together. It is a metal tube that lies on the base of the burner. A small size of holes, air intake, is present on the barrel that opens at the bottom, allowing air into barrel. Second is collar. The major function of the collar is to control the amount of air entering the barrel. It is present around the air holes at the bottom end of the barrel. The collar works on the screw mechanism. A clockwise turn of collar increases the air intake amount while the anti-clockwise rotation decreases. Third, the gas flow valve. The gas valve in the Bunsen burner is responsible for letting gas into the barrel through the collar. It is often attached to the base of the burner of screw. The gas flow valve and barrel both can be adjusted similarly as clockwise and anti-clockwise manners. Next, the gas intake tube or a gas inlet. A gas inlet is a point where gas enters the burners. It helps to extend the gas flow valve. The major function of the gas inlet is to control the leakage of gas through a gas pipe. Next is base. Typically, a base provides support to the Bunsen burner. It is often present as six-sides or hexagonal shape. Being supportable, it is a wide and heavy part of the Bunsen burner. Last, air holes. Oxygen in the air that enters the barrel reacts with the incoming gas in a ratio of 1:3 to produce a blue and steady non-luminous flame. So there are steps how to light up the Bunsen burner. First, check connections to burner and dust outlet valve. Close needle valve and collar. Open dust outlet valve fully. Open needle valve when in half turn. Use the spark lighter to light the flame. Adjust collar and needle valve till you see a blue flame. So differentiate the combustion from incomplete combustion. Complete combustion takes place in the presence of a sufficient amount of oxygen, while an incomplete combustion reactions takes place when there is an insufficient amount of oxygen supply. So, what is combustion? Combustion is another word for burning. In a combustion reaction, a fuel is heated and it reacts with oxygen. When fuels burns in combustion reactions, they release useful thermal energy, heat. Combustion reactions are used to heat our homes, power most cars, and to generate a lot of what causes a flame to be luminous. Luminous flame is a form when the air hole is closed. Thus, the gas will only mix with surrounding air at the point of combustion at the top of the burner, and it is yellow due to incomplete reaction. It is also caused by the small soot particles, which is carbon in the flame. What type of flame is suitable for heating? A blue flame indicates safe and efficient combustion, meaning that the gas is being burned efficiently and not being wasted. Blue flame are hotter and indicate more complete combustion. As I said earlier, there are steps on how to open the Bunsen burner, on how to light on the Bunsen burner. And now, there are ways on how will you turn off the Bunsen burner. If the burners blow all out, Turn off the gas at the bench valve immediately. Readjust the gas and airflow to produce a better flame. To extinguish a Bunsen burner, simply turn off the gas at the bench valve. So, where is the hotter and coldest region of the flame? It produces two types of flame, luminous flame and non-luminous flame. Luminous flame is the coldest part of the flame, while the non-luminous flame is the hottest part. The conclusion: the Bunsen burner allows for precise regulations, the making of gas and oxygen units, central barrel before combustions, which ignites the flame. So that's all. Thank you for listening.